So this brings us to our key stock picks, and here I will just talk through our top picks, right, for this kind of market. It doesn't cover all of our recommendations, but definitely what are the standouts in terms of the picks that we have right now. We also have a few trading ideas, which is where we see, for example, where the market has moved, and we take this point from the start of the bull run, which we saw post the presidential election. The market has actually moved up by about 60%. Large cap counters, where we're counting counters over 10 billion market cap, have moved up by 63%. But mid cap and small cap counters have not necessarily gone up as much. So this provides a little bit of space in terms of a repricing of some of their stock prices, just based on kind of a PR basis and liquidity basis, and not necessarily based off anything fundamentally core to their business operations, but just the fact that the market is seeing a re-rating, and some of these counters have not necessarily re-rated despite having some amount of reasonable amount of liquidity in the market as well. So what you would want to focus on with this is really the counters which are on the right side of the screen, where the price movements have been either negative or only about 6% upside from September 2024, which is not as much compared to the 60% that the market has seen, but where their liquidity positions are relatively reasonable, and you can take a little bit more action on them as well. So this is purely a trading perspective in terms of some of the buy recommendations that we would have on this as well.